Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best fly rods is probably one of the most important pieces of equipment for any fly fisher, and choosing the right one can make all the difference between a frustrating day on the water and a successful one. This video will guide you through the essential factors to consider when selecting a fly rod, helping you find the perfect match for your skill level, fishing style, and the types of fish you target. We will explore various rod lengths, weights, actions, materials, and other key features to help you make an informed decision and elevate your fly fishing game. Number 5. Wakeman Charter Fly Fishing Combo. Get ready for your next adventure with this complete fly fishing kit. It includes everything you need to get started, all packed neatly into a convenient carrying case. This combo boasts a comfortable EVA foam handle and durable stainless steel guides. It's designed for both comfort and reliable performance. The 8-foot, 3-piece rod is lightweight and easy to transport, perfect for any fishing trip. Its graphite reel seat and fiberglass body ensure lasting quality. It comes with a 5/6 weight reel, 45 feet of line, a leader, and even 2 dry flies. You'll be ready to cast right out of the box. Whether you're a seasoned angler or just starting out, this kit is a great choice. It's also an excellent gift for any fishing enthusiast. The included carrying case keeps everything organized and protected during transport. Take it with you on any adventure, big or small. What we like. It includes everything you need to start fly fishing, from the rod and reel to flies and a carrying case. If you're new to fly fishing or looking for a convenient option, this is a great choice. It's perfect for beginners and makes a great gift for those just starting out. Number 4. Zebco Martin Complete Fly Fishing Kit. Get ready to explore the world of fly fishing with this complete kit. It has everything you need to get started, from rod and reel to tackle and line. This 8-foot, 3-piece rod offers a moderate action, perfect for various fish species. Its lightweight design ensures comfortable all-day fishing. The durable and lightweight reel comes pre-spooled with line, backing, and leader, ready for immediate use. It features a convenient rim control and push-button release. This kit includes 6 pieces of essential fly tackle. A scannable barcode provides access to a helpful guide to get you started. Zebco has been a leader in outdoor recreation for over 70 years. This kit is backed by a 1-year warranty against defects. With everything you need included, you'll be ready to cast your line and enjoy the thrill of fly fishing. Get yours today. What we like. This combo offers a versatile moderate action rod ideal for various fish species. It's built with durable materials and comes with a comprehensive tackle kit. If you want a reliable and well-equipped setup for catching light to medium fish, this is the one for you. What people say. It even comes with a small assortment of flies to get you started. Everything is all set up and ready to go once you receive the rod. The reel is fairly solid quality and the rod does what it's supposed to do. Number 3. Maxcatch Extreme Fly Fishing Combo. It includes a high-performance rod, a reel preloaded with line, backing and leaders, plus a selection of hand-tied flies. You'll also receive all the accessories you need to get started. This rod boasts a unique construction using M724T plus 30T carbon fiber for superior strength and performance. It's significantly stronger than comparable rods. Its fast-action design makes it excel at both distance casting and precise presentations. The slim taper ensures smooth and powerful casts, even for beginners. The lightweight aluminum reel features a smooth disc drag system and comes pre-spooled with backing, floating line, and a tapered leader. It's perfectly balanced with the rod. A durable travel case keeps everything organized. A waterproof fly box holds up to 12 hand-tied flies, and a neoprene cover protects your reel. This kit has everything you need to start fly fishing right away, all at a great price. It's also a great backup combo to have on hand. What we like. It boasts high-performance materials and a design optimized for long-distance casting. The reel comes pre-spooled with everything you need. If you prioritize distance and accuracy in your casts, this is a great option for you. What people say. The rod has a nice fast-action great finish, surprisingly light, and although the reel isn't the best looking, it does what it needs to do on a 3WT, which is hold the line. The carry case seems to be made well, and the extra fly box and storage on the carry case makes keeping this setup under the seat of my truck a breeze. Everything in this is quality. The reel is a lot nicer than expected for the price. Awesome drag and quiet. Number 2. Moonshine Revival S-Series Fly Rod. Experience the perfect blend of power and finesse with this exceptional fly rod. Its unique glass construction makes it lighter, stronger, and more responsive than ever before. It's built with S2 glass, providing a crisper recovery for accurate and smooth casts. You'll love its full flex design and dynamic slow action. This rod boasts premium features like titanium frame 6 stripping guides, light wire snake guides, and a hand-turned burl reel seat. Every detail is crafted for excellence. This model comes with 2 rod tip sections, ensuring you're always ready for anything. No need to worry about unexpected mishaps. The durable canvas carrying case protects it from the elements. Its compact design makes it perfect for travel, so you can fish anywhere. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned angler, this rod is perfect for close casts and gentle presentations. It's the ideal choice for any fly fishing adventure. What we like. It features a unique glass construction for a smooth, accurate cast and comes with a protective carrying case. It's designed for all skill levels and offers a unique casting experience. If you appreciate quality materials and a smooth casting feel, this rod is for you. What people say. It punches outside its weight class in every way. First of all, it looks great. Secondly, it is made exceptionally well. It is incredibly accurate. In fact, in just a couple of minutes of use I found myself literally just thinking of a spot and the cast was almost automatic. I was nailing challenging targets time after time like shooting fish in a barrel. The drifter casts effortlessly for me to 50 to 60 feet. And further with a bit more effort. The extra tip section is a nice bonus as well. Number 1. Wild Water Deluxe Fly Fishing Combo. It's the perfect size for catching most fish. Its durable graphite construction and comfortable cork handle will provide years of reliable use. The smooth guides ensure accurate casting. Never miss a catch with this premium reel. It features a quick-release spool, adjustable drag, and a one-way clutch bearing. You can easily switch it for left or right-handed retrieval. This kit includes everything a beginner needs. It comes with a fly rod, reel, pre-spooled line, leader, and a selection of flies. You'll be ready to fish right out of the box. It comes with a durable carrying case for easy transport and storage. It's a thoughtful gift for any fishing enthusiast, whether beginner or experienced. It's perfect for streams, rivers, lakes, and ponds. Catch trout, panfish, or small bass with ease. Its medium-fast action makes learning to cast a breeze. What we like. This kit offers a versatile rod perfect for various fish species and includes a premium reel with smooth operation. It comes with all the accessories you need to get started. If you're looking for a high-quality, all-around fly fishing setup, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The balance of rod, reel, line, and lures is spot on. I started landing nice bluegills on my third cast using the included lures and the fish kept biting. High-quality rod and nothing in the kit feels cheap. Great case, too. The fly rod itself is just enough stiffness for a beginner and just enough play for the seasoned pro. After decades of trout fishing, I have come to the realization that a fly reel is basically just a fancy line holder. But when I did finally use the drag, it was strong enough to resist and withstand a stubborn 6-pound rainbow in a strong river current, and that is good enough for me. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.